youngster is certainly going places. Since the war, there have been great changes in the shape and size of our Sunday joint. Changes reflected not only in shop window displays, but in the appearance of our farms. Open grazing like this is becoming a thing of the past, for we're entering the age of push-button beef produced in scientifically controlled feedlots. Controlled feeding is the secret of the automatic beef unit. This one in Yorkshire, the biggest yet built in Britain, holds more than 500 head. It's fully automatic and requires only one farmhand to check that everything's working properly. A balanced diet ensures that the meat is uniformly pink in colour and attractive to the self-service customer. It also seems to be a good thing for the farmer who has a stake in it.